Good morning, students. Today we study class 6th poem The Kite, written by Harry Ben. तो आप सभी ने काइट उड़ाया है. You know how to fly a kite. All you know. I hope. And if you don't know, so I think by reading this poem, you want to try once in your childhood. Okay. So it's a poem about how to fly a kite. If you ever tried to fly a kite, you know how it moves, what the turns and what the flips and flops of the kite. So this poem is about the kite, how it moves in the sky, and what type of dives are there. So let's read the poem. First of all, see the introduction part. The poet has drawn the poet has drawn a beautiful picture of the flying kite through words in this poem. Now, poet has beautifully described how to fly a kite by words, by using words or pictures to tell in the poem. We all love to see flying kites but never notice how it flies. Through by this beautiful picture of a flying kite, the poet is just persuading the readers to fly one and notice its beautiful moves. Now, poet is persuading us means want to say that we must try once in our life that how while flying, how it turns, how it moves, we must try once in our life and see its move. हमें उसका moves देखने चाहिए, एक बार उसे उड़ा के उसे फ्लाई करके उसे देखना चाहिए कि वो किस तरह फ्लिप करती है, किस तरह डाइव करती है. All her moves, all its move we want to see once. So let's see first of all by video how it moves. You can see in this video how it gets flapping in wind, in air, and also flying high. It's very easy. We must try. So all the children, you also try once in your life. Okay. As lockdown is going on, you can try now also in your home, and you can also make this at your home also by using newspaper or polythene. You can also made it at your home also and try once. You can see the string and also a tail, its simplicity, its value. You can see it's going upward when it's going downward. Okay, now let's see the poem. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, when a dive and a dip it snap its tail. Now first of all let's see the word meaning. Dive and dip, to give into water and with the force and with softness together. Snap here means cracking sound. Blue here means its color, but here it is used for clear sky without clouds. Now, how bright on the blue? On the blue here means एकदम साफ है बादल बिल्कुल. Blue sky है एकदम clear है. There is no clouds. That's why how bright. Bright means kite is looking very bright in the blue sky, in the clear sky. Is a kite when it's new. When it's new वो बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है उन पूरे ब्लू आसमान के अंदर. जब बादल एकदम नहीं होते, क्लाउड्स नहीं होते, एकदम साफ मौसम होता है, उसके अंदर वो ब्राइट काइट, न्यू काइट चमकती हुई बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है. With the dive and a dip, it snap its tail. Dive and a dip means the kite is moving. Sometimes it's go upward, sometimes it's go downward. So it's dive and dip. जिस तरह पानी में, when have you seen fish or a shark when she take dive in water? First of all dolphin और shark आपने देखा होगा किस तरह वो डाइव करती है. एक बार पानी में ऊपर आती है, फिर उछल के वापस अंदर, फिर ऊपर, फिर अंदर. उसी तरह काइट भी whenever इट फ्लाई इन द स्काई, उसका डाइव क्या होता है? समटाइम इट्स कम अपवर्ड, समटाइम इट्स गो डाउनवर्ड, सेम एज फिश इन द वाटर टेक अ डाइव. So it snap its tail, and also snap its tail means just you can see in this images, snapping its tail means moving. उनका जो टेल है वो क्या है? स्नैप है, और वो एक टाइप का साउंड क्रिएट करता है when it flies in the sky. उसका जो टेल से क्या है, एक तरह का स्नैप मीन्स क्रैकिंग साउंड आती है from the kite. So how bright when kite flying in the sky, when it's new, it's very look very bright in the sky with a dive and a dip. और वो dive and a dip करती है same as fish does in a water. जिस तरह fish पानी में dive लेती है, एक बार ऊपर एक बार नीचे, उसी तरह same also kite used to dive and dip in the clear sky. Now second stanza. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, and as over tides of wind it rides, climb to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Then soars, let's see word meaning. Soars here means fly high. Climbs here means to go up. Sail means a cloth on a ship or a boat used to catch wind and help the boat to propel. Tide here means rising and falling waves. Crest here means mountain top or a tuft of feathers on the head of the bird or animal. Now, what's in second stanza? Then soars like a ship. जिस तरह ship है, soars means fly high. जिस तरह ship है, when ship is in water, उसका जो move होता है, जब वो ship पानी में चलती है तो उसका move है वो बहुत तेज होता है. With only a sail. Sail means you can see in this image, sail ये जो कपड़ा है शिप के ऊपर, ये क्या बताता है कि हवा किस तरफ है. You can see हवा का जो प्रेशर है is from that side, इस साइड से इसके ऊपर प्रेशर आ रहा है, तो ये डायरेक्शन दे रहा है शिप को कि किस तरफ जाना है. On of when it rides, climb to the crest, और उसी की वजह से वो waves के ऊपर है, वो उसी बहाव में शिप है, वो समुद्र में उसी बहाव की तरफ क्या है, शिप चलता ही जा रहा है. सेम ऑल्सो विद काइट. काइट है जब हवा चलता है, when wind flows, जब तो क्या करता है काइट, जिस तरह शिप है जहां हवा होगी उसी डायरेक्शन में शिप क्या है, पानी में चलता है. सेम ऑल्सो विद काइट, वेयर when wind blows in that direction only kite tries to fly, वो उसी डायरेक्शन में फ्लाई करेगी. The soars like a ship, जिस तरह शिप है वो एक बहुत ही हवा के साथ क्या है, अपना स्पीड पकड़ लेता है. सेम ऑल्सो विद काइट, इट ऑल्सो fly high and high when wind blows with only a sail. उसे सिर्फ सेल मीन्स उसे बस पता चलना चाहिए कि हवा का रुख किस तरह है, in which direction the wind is blowing. So ship also take that direction and speed high, उसका जो स्पीड है वो हाई हो जाता है. सेम ऑल्सो विद काइट ऑल्सो, when wind blows kite fly ups and up as it just try to touch the hill or top of the mountain. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे नाउ बस काइट है वो जो टॉप ऑफ द हिल है माउंटेन का, उसके क्रेस्ट को, उसकी जो चोटी है, उसका जो पीक पॉइंट है, उसको वो टच कर लेगी. देन सीम्स टू रेस्ट एज विंड फॉल्स, और जैसे ही हवा का रुख है, हवा कम हो जाती है, हवा विंड है वो ब्लो कम हो जाता है उसका, वैसे ही वो काइट है वो वापस रेस्ट में, मीन्स वापस उसका जो उड़ने का जो है, ऊपर जो फ्लाई हाई होती जा रही थी, नाउ वो गेट स्टॉप्स, वो सडनली रेस्ट में आ जाती है. और हाई कब होती है, व्हेन विंड ब्लोज. सेम एज शिप. नाउ शिप के साथ में काइट का जो शिप का जो ये है सेल है, सेल है मीन जो क्लोथ है, ये जो क्लोथ है उसके साथ में उसका कंपैरिजन किया है. जिस तरह शिप का जो सेल है व्हेन विंड ब्लोज वो बहुत ही ज्यादा आवाज करने लग जाता है, और उसी डायरेक्शन में क्या है, शिप फ्लोट करना लग जाता है. सेम ऑल्सो विद काइट, when wind blows it goes high and high. Such moves help it to float in the sky, just wave rising and falling with sudden blow of the winds. It goes up to the highest point in the sky in the wavy manner the way a ship moves on the ocean. But as soon as the wind slows down, it seems as if it has stopped there to rest. जैसे ही विंड ब्लो होना बंद, उसी तरह वो ऐसा लगता है कि अगेन इट कम टू इन रेस्ट पोजीशन. नाउ लेट्स सी थर्ड स्टैंजा. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows, and its wings fill and up it goes. Slack here means loose. When string goes slack, जब हम string है, kite का जो string है, kite का जो धागा है, kite का जो thread है, जब हम उसे lose means हम उसे ढीला छोड़ देते हैं, you wind it back. तो wind है, it push him on up position, उसको और ऊपर उड़ा के वो लेके चली जाती है and run until a new breeze is blow. और जब तक हम उसे लूज करके रखेंगे, जब तक वापस विंड का ब्लो आए, wind blows up and it takes high onto the sky. So what we have to do when wind blows come to an rest, kite also come to an rest, and we just lose the string of the kite. So again the wind blows and it take high up to the sky. Okay, जैसे ही हम उस धागे को ढीला छोड़ देंगे तो क्या होगा, वो उसको विंड वापस ब्लो होगा और उसको हाई अपॉन द स्काई लेके चला जाएगा काइट को. When we loosen the string of the kite and its wings fly and up it goes, वो ऊपर चला जाएगा. When the thread tied onto the kite loosen, the flyer runs and rolls it back. He waits till a new breeze blows again and fill its wings with air again to help it fly high. तो you can see in this image, उसने उसको ढीला छोड़ दिया है बच्चे ने, ताकि वो उसको विंड आए, वापस ब्लो हो और उसको up upon the sky उसको लेकर चला जाए. So let's see another stanza. How bright on the blue it is a kite when it's new, but a ragged thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Ragged here means torn or tattered. A kite looks very bright and beautiful on the clear sky, but when it gets struck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor worn out look which is not liked by anyone. Now, how bright on the blue? Kite look very bright when it's new. जब वो new होती है तो बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है एकदम clear sky में. Is a kite when it's new, but a ragged thing means torn or tattered. जब वो फट जाती है. And you never will see when it flaps on a string. और जब वो string से टूट के means कट के जब गिरती है and it gets stuck on a tree top, और किसी पेड़ की टहनी में on a tree branches it gets struck, so it looks very poor, very worn, and nobody wants to see that kite. But when it's high up in the sky, in the clear blue sky, it looks very new. But when it gets struck or flaps from the string, it look very poor, very worn, nobody wants to see, and it's look very torn or tattered. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खराब लगती है जब वो स्ट्रिंग से टूट के किसी पेड़ की ब्रांचेस में अटक जाती है. इट गेट टॉर्न, इट गेट टैटर्ड, वो फट जाती है एंड नोबडी वांट्स टू लाइक दैट टाइप ऑफ काइट which is not liked by anyone. So let's see the summary of the poem now. In the clear sky means when there are no clouds, a kite will look bright in it. It will be clearly noticeable. The kite hurls and with every wag its tail produces a cracking sound. Then while flying all of a sudden the kite goes high on the top just like a ship goes up and down on the crest of the waves with the sail cloth. It moves forward when the wind is strong, but as the wind falls it seems as if it was taking rest for a while in the air. Sometimes the thread tied to the kite loosens, the flyer tries to roll the thread and run till a new breeze fly its wings. A kite really looks bright on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor look. Now, it's a summary of the poem. किस तरह in the first stanza what happened? Kite look very bright in a clear sky. Then in second stanza, what it's compare with a ship that when in ocean शिप का जो सेल है, जो क्लोथ है, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्लो करता है when wind comes. Same also when wind blows, kite also moves up in the sky, and it's like that it's just touching the top of the mountain, and then it take rest when the wind is stopped blowing. And again, what happened, the child or the person, when he loosen the string, and again a wind blows and it take high into the sky. जब हम उसको क्या स्ट्रिंग को ढीला छोड़ देते हैं, लूज छोड़ देते हैं, what happens, and again the wind blows and it take high into the sky. And what happened in the last stanza, उसका बताया है कि काइट का यूज है वो एकदम ही यूजलेस लगती है. कब यूजलेस लगती है? when it stuck into the tree. जब वो किसी पेड़ की टहनियों में फंस जाती है, तो it gives very poor look and nobody wants to see that type of kite. और किस टाइप को काइट को देखना पसंद करते हैं? which type of kite everybody want to see? when it's flying high in the clear blue sky. And also kite is compared with fish. when in a clear blue sky it give deep and dive, वो dive करती है same as fish dives in the water. And also compare with ship, as ships also move on crest of ocean or waves of ocean. It's sometimes it's go upward, sometimes it's go downward. उनका जो movement होता है same also of kite when wind blows. जब wind blow करता है, ship क्या है, उसी direction में अपना flow है वो बहुत ही speedily पकड़ लेता है और बढ़ता जाता है. and when it stops, उसका movement है वो भी एकदम rest में चला जाता है as ship. and same also with kite, it blows high when wind blows. Kite moves higher and higher as it just touches the mountain top, and when it stops, it again come to an rest. So this is a very beautiful description of a poem of a kite, that how it fly in the sky, and we should once in our life just try to fly that kite and see or notice the moves of the kite. So let's see question answers. The kite poem question answers. List of the action word in the poem. Find out the meaning of these words. Dive, dip, snaps. Dive here means climbs, blows, soars, riders and falls. Meanings: climb means to go up, blows means to hit, soars means to fly, ride means to sit on the back of something and control its movement or to mount. Falls means to drop down. So these are the question answers. I hope you understand the poem very well. And children, you also in this lockdown, you must try once that how a kite flies, and also observe its moves, its dive, its dip, and as all compared by ship and fish, you also see that movement of the kite and enjoy. Okay, so by this the slide come to an end, and hope you understand all the poem.